Well, hey y'all, how are y'all doing? My name's Jebediah Jenkins, and I may not look like it, but I is a bit of an expert in mathematics. Now today I'm here to teach y'all a lesson about imaginary numbers. Now imaginary numbers are probably one of the hardest concepts that you will have to learn in algebra class. The first thing you need to know about imaginary numbers is they are completely useless. Nobody uses them. They do not apply in the real world whatsoever because they is not real numbers, they is imaginary. With that being said, the government's still spending money because they feel you need to learn them. Anyway, I'm here to teach y'all about them so you can pass that algebra test and forget about it. Fortunately for you, imaginary numbers are real easy to understand once you get in the right mindset. Basically, whenever you need to think about imaginary numbers, I want you to close your eyes, telepathically transport your mind into another world in which you think imaginary numbers are real, even though they ain't. Now, imaginary numbers are used when a problem does not have an answer. Basically, whenever you are asked to solve a problem that does not have an answer, you use imaginary numbers. Now, if an imaginary number was real, it would be the answer to that problem, but they're not. And the problem doesn't have an answer, but you're still being asked to solve it. Now, y'all might be saying, Jebediah, that just don't make no sense. Well, you see here, it really doesn't, but you still need to understand it because you don't need to pass that algebra test. Just make sure that you just think about, if imaginary numbers were real, which they're not, how would they solve this problem that doesn't have an answer? That's imaginary numbers, folks. Now, if you want to live like a redneck like me, the only numbers you need are 1 and 2. That's the amount of shells that go in my shotgun, and that solves all my problems. This is Jebediah Jenkins, and I've just told you everything y'all need to know about imaginary numbers.